Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop voice access after 30 seconds if no speech is detected in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and then in interaction and dexterity click on voice access. Now here click on settings and then scroll down, and here you will see a timeout after no speech button. So to stop voice access after 30 seconds if no speech is detected, turn on this button, and after turning on this button the voice access will be turned off or stopped automatically after 30 seconds if no speech is detected. So that's how you can stop the voice access after 30 seconds if no speech detected in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.